In this session, we are going to see how to create these kind of walls. Since we have already done the basics of modeling and the basics of how to create a wall using geometry, shapes and editable polygon, this technique will be much easier to us. Let's create the wall first, but in order to get the wall which we need, we have to understand what are the things needed. Let's go back to the image. Here we have a vertical line and a horizontal line. This is a solid wall which we can make using box. This is also a solid wall which you can make using box, and then you can apply editable polygon method and convert it to the way we need. We will see each technique one by one. Let's get back to the software. Let me go to the top view. Here I'm going to create a box. And I need vertical and horizontal segments. Let me keep the height as 10 feet. I need the vertical and horizontal segments. So what I'm going to do, increase my width 3. Okay, I'll make it one more. Yes. And let me take the height segments. 1, 2. Good. This is well and good enough. Keeping this as the numbers, let me convert this into an editable polygon. Convert to editable poly. I'll do it again slowly. Right click, convert to editable poly. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this and hide everything else. Right click on the box and give hide unselected. Then let's go to the front view. Press F3 to toggle between wireframe mode and shaded mode. So I'll go to the vertex, select it, I'll switch off the snap. I'm going to move it perfectly. I'll switch on the snap again. I'll keep it at 2.5 without clicking anything else. I'll right click on the move button. I want this vertex to move in X direction. So X direction 2 inches. Got it? Now the same on this side. First move it and snap it at the edge point. Here the X is in this direction. I want to move it in the negative direction. So what I'm going to do is X negative 2 inches. Got it? That's how easy it is. Let's do for the top one. First snap it. As per the direction showing here, it should be in negative if I want to move it downwards. Minus 2 inches. The top one will be of a thickness, high thickness. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit more. Minus 2 inches. Same I'm going to do with the bottom. But it is plus 4 inches. So far this is how we do it perfectly. In order to get you to the speed, I'm going to do it without any dimensions. If you want to do it with dimensions, you can follow this process, which is much more efficient. So let me just bring it down a bit. Yes, now it's done. Just move your vertices one by one and you'll get this. After getting this, all you have to do is go click on the polygon, then select each polygon, hold your control key, hold your alt key to rotate, alt key and center mouse button to rotate, then again hold your control key, again click at the opposite polygons and give the option bridge. Now you got it. This is how we create. This is one method to create. There's another method which is very simple than this, which is like to create a plane of the same size. Let's go to the front view. Let's create a plane which is of the same size, nearly the same size. Okay. Then we go to the modifier. In the modifier, you can give an option called lattice. You give this option lattice, you see, you get this kind of thing. You can remove these one by one. You can give end caps. You can reduce the number of sides if you want. What kind of tetra, octa, icosa, these kind of things you can do. Struts only in the edges, joins only from vertices. So this kind of things you can do it over here. I can even, if I increase the number of sides, I'll get the proper one. So these are the two ways for us to create the wall. If I keep doing this from this view and then this side, I will end up in creating this whole part. All you have to do is place it and then move it to the original position where you need them. As you can see, this is a normal box. This one which we did right now using the same box, this is also the same technique. I'll do it in this side once more. Either I can create another box and do it to this level. Otherwise, since I have converted this into editable polygon, what I can do is select the faces of this side, then extrude it. If you remember how much thickness you have given, you can just directly give. Then I can just extrude this side also, which is of, let it be 4 inches. Then again I'm going to extrude it, which is of, let's say 3 feet. Sorry, let's say 3 feet. Yes. Then again extrusion, which is of 4 inches. Then again extrusion, which is of 4 inches. Now all I have to do is, as usual, select the polygons and give bridge. So this is how I continued the whole work, and it ended up like this. As you can see, this is a complete file of the walls which we have created. Now all you have to do is sit and practice this. In order to practice this, first you have to know about the basics of modeling, then how to create a wall using shapes, then how to create a wall using geometry, then how to create a wall using editable polygon. Then you will be able to attain this technique within minutes. So all the best, guys. Work on this file and create the whole wall. I'll see you in the next session with another different topic.